Okay, this is gonna be similar to my previous video, but I took out the exhaust pipe. Alright, I'm such a stupid ass. Alright, hang on, let me set this camera down real quick. My redneck intake system has been vibrating around, so here's my little 5-horse mower. Let me prime it real quick. Oh wait, here's my vice grips. There they are. I do this just to hold it on, so I don't have to stand over there the whole time, or stand up here and try to rev it up the whole time. I'll just prime it. A little bit of prime. Ah, crap. Well, that's it. This thing's so fucking weird. Just a good old mower doing its job. Getting the shit torn out of it by teenagers. Alright. I'm gonna put my blade back on. I don't think you guys are gonna watch that. It's kind of weird. I don't really like doing that stuff. Alright. Oh, that's my pit bike motor. Used to be mounted on that little bike right there. I was gonna mount it on my chopper, but that thing's too big for it. And I broke the fuck out of it with my friend. So yeah, that's a good little motor over there. The shit has been revved out of that motherfucker. Okay. This is the end of the video. Goodbye, everybody.